Oh yeah. Yeah, two poems by Terry Hetherington. A neat poet, no longer with us, unfortunately. This is called Seceders. And it's not actually Terry speaking, it's the English aristocracy. Devolution? Why? You've shared our flag, gained a niche in our short history. We gave you a squalling, shield-born prince, arms to wield, in Ireland, Africa, Asia, even allowing you, Wellisk, to peer over our shoulders when we blew sepoys from the mouths of cannon. Ah, the roar of the irony. And this other one's called Enlistment Drive, 1966. In Cardiff Castle on an autumn day, a salute is fired to the glory of the gallant Welsh who are needed now. Oh Christ, the same old story. See boys, they've closed the mines and cut our dole, and now they come all smarmy to tell us again that we brave lads are needed in England's army. Now look here chaps, we pulled you from these holes because we don't need the coals. We'll kit out each man and fill his belly, and if you should doubt what recruitment's about, then watch the last night of the proms on English telly.